always I say morning, so right now it's afternoon time and we are at the Asiatic Library doing a shoot for a brand called Nishman, and as a team over there almost got done with 30% of the shoot, and this is a crazy experience, again an outdoor shoot, and I love doing this. So shoot one, location one done, and now heading to location number 2. It was a fun shooting at Asiatic Library. Let's go! So we came to shoot location 2, but didn't like the place over here much, so we are going back again to finish the first shoot at Asiatic Library. And also outdoor shoot, one of the things that is common is you forget things. So we forgot our acrylic sheet over there, and Don is getting the acrylic sheet. So be mindful of the things that you're using, and yeah, and let's go. And we have a friend behind us, so so today Heti is leading the project. How's the project going on, Heti?
It's going down well.
Heti is very excited about this shoot.
Yeah,
So
the graffiti one.
Acha, graffiti one, not the Asiatic
This
one.
one was also decided.
Acha. So now we are taking a lunch break and heading to Pancham Puriwala, and special thanks to my friend Shirley from UK for suggesting this. Hope this place is good. We believe it is good.
Don't forget to sanitize your hands. This ready?
We are halfway eating our lunch, and till now it's just yum. I mean, each and everything that we tried is so yum. Review, Heti.
It's too good, too good.
5-star.
Oh, by the way, Don is a pure non-vegetarian, but today he has to eat veg and he
Pure
said,
non-vegetarian.
Jita, what's your take? Is Raju's sandwich wala still better? Okay, let's not compare sandwich and this one. Thank you, Shirley. So after the amazing lunch, came to scout the second location, but unfortunately we cannot shoot here because the shoot has skateboard involved in it, and here the graffiti painting is a bit high, and the other side it has a lot of trucks. So let's see what's the next location.
And it's a wrap!
And it's a wrap. That's a wrap. How do you feel after donating blood? Hi vlog. So today came to donate blood, and after I guess 2 years doing this, and feels so nice. My blood will get replaced by the new blood, so happy about that also, and also helping someone. So donate blood, yeah, please donate blood whenever you get time. Donating blood, save lives. So with me I have 2 friends, that is Jacob, Matthew, and Ramfara. Now it's done. That's the game of prediction. Hi Jackie. Booming fry.
एकदम
Chapati ज़्यादा क्या?
Chapati?
ये हमारा मारवाड़ी स्टाइल है.
Dude, so this is a lunch break at our office, and the dishes that I was trying was made by Komal Kadam, and it is so yum.
I'm not speaking.
Especially I love this
It's
prawns.
Khatam ho
This
gaya.
is also good. Bombil fry, but this I love. Thank you, Komal. भाई 1K कराओ, मेरे को मेरा मर्चेंडाइज देगा भाई.
उसको गिफ्ट चाहिए, तुम लोग समझते नहीं हो गया.
अभी तक सिर्फ 3 ही सब्सक्राइबर बड़े जब से इसने बोला है.
भाई वही लग रहा है थोड़ा स्कैम.
Health is put down. It's Monday. Just finishing off with my Monday edits, and it's already like 10:40. Have an hour to go. Came came home a bit late. But yeah, Monday vlog, very important. Morning vlog. I hope there's good light over here. Yeah. It's 6 in the morning. Left home at 4:30. Have a shoot today at Juhu Beach. And just after uploading the video, I just straight away went to sleep because I had to get up early in the morning. Now just waiting for my friend Hedi, and we'll be heading to the shoot location soon. So my teammate Hedi came, but then we were late for the shoot a bit, so that's why I didn't record, but here's Hedi. And now the shoot is almost done. Couldn't cover any BTS this time because less time, and it was a beach shoot plus क्या करेगा एक साथ. But yeah, almost done with the shoot. That's the last part.